Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about locking plate. This is femoral locking plate. As you see, the design is very simple, and you can also change the color for clear visualization of holes, and then we simulate this by using this material. The material is shown as titanium alloy Ti6Al4Av, whose young modulus is 101 gigapascal and Poisson ratio is around 0.34. This is mainly metals Poisson ratio. Then we apply force here, arbitrary force, then fix support here, and find equivalent stresses. You can also see the deformation, total deformation, equivalent stress, and the design is here. This is design. If you want to get any type of help, you can also contact me via my WhatsApp number, or you can also email me on my email Affan Ahmed 399@gmail.com. Thank you for your time, and looking forward to help you. Bye.